Hello, my name is Dr. Marc Grossman. For the past 38 years, I've devoted myself to a holistic integrative approach to helping people with different visual conditions through nutrition, lifestyle changes, and eye exercises. Hi, let's talk about glaucoma. Glaucoma is very dear to me. It's one of the reasons I went into vision care. My grandmother, who lived with me, went blind from glaucoma, and I had to take care of her. So it has been my promise to myself and my patients to do everything I can to help them with this condition. In regular Western medicine with glaucoma, the issue is we just give drops or surgery to lower the eye pressure. But glaucoma is a disease of the optic nerve. Is there a way that we can help make the optic nerve stronger through neuroprotection? Yes, there is. Through nutrition and herbal treatments, there are studies that show that we can make the optic nerve stronger. And are there ways to also possibly lower the eye pressure without medication or surgery? Yes, there's studies that show that too. Now, do I prescribe medication? Do I believe in medication and surgery for glaucoma? Absolutely yes. You don't play with this condition. But can you do an integrative medical approach, working with nutrition, working with herbal treatments, working with eye exercises to help this condition? The answer is yes. Just some of the nutrients that have been shown to be very helpful for the treatment of glaucoma along with the regular medical approach have been ginkgo biloba, alpha lipoic acid, vitamin B12, taurine, bilberry, grapeseed extract. So there are many things we can do in an integrative approach through lifestyle changes, eye exercises, along with nutritional support for this condition. So please visit these websites to educate yourself further to be able to protect your precious gift of sight.